Hello. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of embedding a Trupeer video on Squarespace. To start, select the video you want to embed from the Trupeer platform and click on the Share option. Next, you'll see several options appear. Click on the Embed option, and then copy the code that is provided. Once you have the code, head over to Squarespace. When you're on Squarespace, the first thing you need to do is create a site. After your site is set up, click on the Edit option and scroll down to view the various sections available. Depending on what you need, click on the Add section option and then choose Videos. After this, select the video section that suits your requirement. Once selected, click on the Add block and then choose the Embed option. Here, you'll paste the URL that you copied from Trupeer. Just place it right here. After you've pasted the URL, you'll see the video embedded on your Squarespace site. You can move it around by dragging and dropping it to wherever you want. This is how you can embed a Trupeer video on Squarespace. Thank you.